It's Mrs. Plash. Oh, I miss you all so much. Smooch, smooch, hug, hug. Hi, Pa. We are going to get through this together. It feels really weird, doesn't it? It does. But we're going to get through this together. So in celebration of getting through it together, we are going to play my favorite song from my favorite movie with my fabulous daughter dancing in the background. This is Tyrion, everyone, wearing her taco hat because we like to
Taco
about it. All right. So here's the song that's going to help us, remind us we're in this together. Here we go. Sing along if you'd like. This together, once we know that we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. We're all in this together. Okay, there we go. We are all in this together. We got this. We're going to get through this. A couple things that I want to share with you is I'm going to be doing weekly videos to kind of check in with you. I'm also going to be doing daily check-ins with students that would like to do daily check-ins with me through what's called Google Hangout. So we'd be able to actually interact with each other through video. So if that's something you're interested in, you can email me directly, or you can let your teacher know, and I will make sure that I invite you to those times when I'm doing Google Hangouts with students, because I'd love to interact with you. The other thing I wanted you to know is on your district distance learning page, there is a tab in the right corner that says social emotional learning. Please check that out on the days that you're doing work, because I will have some second step lessons that basically are counseling lessons. There'll be some mindfulness activities, some breathing activities, just some great information on tools to help you cope with any worries you might be having, making sure that you are taking care of yourself physically and using positive self-talk, all the great tools that we talk about every day. When we're in school, I want to make sure that you're still using those tools at home. Okay, so make sure you check out that tab as well. Other than that, that's all I have for today. Again, I miss you very much, and I'm looking forward to continuing our adventure together. It's different. It feels weird, but we are going to get through this together. We got this. Hi, Pa. Miss you. Smooch, smooch, hug, hug.